Hello friends. In this video, we are going to talk about the amazing animals from all around our world. Our planet is full of various kinds of animals, and each one of them is beautiful in its own way. Some animals can be very tiny, or some can be really big, but they all have their own special features which make them unique. So let's start. First, we have an adorable sea otter. Sea otters are the smallest marine mammals in the world. They can be found in the coastal waters of the Pacific Ocean from Japan to California. They are perfectly adapted for life in the water with their sleek, streamlined bodies and paddle-like front feet. Their back feet are webbed, making it easier for them to swim, and their thick, luxurious fur keeps them warm in the cold ocean water. Sea otters are carnivores, and their diet consists of clams, mussels, crabs, and other shellfish. They use their sharp teeth and strong jaws to crack open the shells of their prey. Sea otters are known for their intelligence and playfulness. They are highly curious animals and will often investigate anything new that enters their environment. This can sometimes get them into trouble, such as when they try to eat plastic or other debris that humans have left behind in the ocean. But luckily, sea otters are quick learners and can avoid these potentially harmful objects once they realize they are not food. The next animal is a brown bear. Brown bears are large, powerful animals that can be found in forests and mountains throughout the northern hemisphere. They are known for their distinctive hump on their shoulders, which is caused by a thick layer of fat. This fat hump helps the bear to maintain its body temperature in cold climates and also provides insulation for its body. Brown bears are omnivores and will eat a variety of plants, berries, fruits, and nuts, as well as fish, meat, and honey. They are excellent swimmers and are often seen fishing for salmon in rivers and streams. Brown bears are typically solitary animals, except during mating season or when a